Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we are doing a Raspberry Pi Pico project. So I built this traffic light last night, stayed up at 3 a.m. to write the code because I just used like toggle and sleep and it just didn't work right, like the timing was off. So I looked around and I found out that I can just turn them on and off. Yeah. So let's see if this will work. Now only the red one works. You know what? Let me do the wiring. I'll solder it up and then we'll just, I guess we'll see. I think this will work though. I have a very good belief. The red light is working. It should go like red, yellow, and then green, and then flashing green in my country. But yeah, you'll see. It will work. So let's light it out. Let's show the code first. I think that would be a good idea. So this is the code. We have red pin 13, which we saw it was the third pin, and yellow pin 14 and green pin 15, and then we go while true and turn on red, turn off both of them and wait for 2 seconds, turn on red and then turn off both yellow and green and then sleep for 2 seconds. After that it will turn on yellow while red is on because it will go red, yellow, and then both red and yellow will turn off, green will turn on and then blink. So yellow turns on, sleeps for 2 seconds, red is also on at the same time, and then red turns off, yellow turns off as well. Green turns on, and then sleeps for 2 seconds. We should maybe make it, 2 seconds is good. For in range of green toggle, sleep 3. So let's make this maybe 10 and then turn off green, turn on yellow and then sleep because it will just go on to red. So let's rewire everything, sort out this mess of wires and then work on the code and try to add functions, maybe split it off into functions. Okay, so first of all, where the fuck am I going to put this cable? I know you're asking yourself probably why the hell am I not using these. Well, I don't know if you can see, but these got fucked up and yeah, it won't work on them. I can show you also if you want, but I'm too lazy honestly, so I'll probably won't. So let's do the rewiring now. We want right now this side is plus and this side is minus. We want to flip that around because then the cables want that. So let's start with the cables first because that will be the easiest to put back. But that's just that like over there. So we got these two as well. Okay, that's awesome. And then let's date. Yeah, I know my lights are fucked up. My LEDs are fucked up. LEDs, whatever you wanna call these. Lights. They go boop and blink. And that's all. What I'm doing right now is basically turning around like the LED. So plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. Now that works. Let's space them out a little bit. Maybe it will look better. Sometimes I just feel so smart, honestly. Like last night, I felt like a genius. This is my second time ever touching a bread. Know how crazy that is? Do you have any idea how crazy that is? Like, dude, I bought this like 5 or 6 years ago and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna make shit. I got like super confused the first time I saw the code because I know a little bit of Python, but I was like, so I was like, then I basically gave up. And honestly, I don't know what to think. I know what lit up this like electronics fire back in me. Because I always love seeing open computers. I always had a thing for open computers that sound so fucking like bad, Alright, I think that's cool. So let's rewire. We need to first of all turn this around. I think I fucked up the wires doing like the cross crease thing. This is going to be red. So one here. Okay, one over there. On the red, you guys can't see shit, I'm sorry. I'll buy a better camera, but for now, this is what we have. If this video gets 10 likes, I'll buy a new camera, okay? Sounds cool? And this will be yellow, I guess. I think so, yeah. I can look at the code, but yeah, green. Oh no, green is 15. Okay, we'll see. Maybe we'll switch it up. Okay, that already looks way better than it looked before. Do you guys think? Kinda hate this breadboard shit because I gotta buy like new components. I ordered the 30 days Lost in Space, so I guess that's cool. I'm waiting on it, so I'll do it. Maybe I'll make a video about it. Maybe a series of videos. Who knows? Maybe I'll become a great YouTuber and then my girlfriend won't hate me. I'm joking, she loves me. Oh my god. Okay. So if my nose was in there, Jesus Christ, people will be like, Jew, you dead. Okay, that looks already way better. I'll put a before and after. That sound effect maybe. I don't know. We'll see. That not good. Okay, that looks good. I'm guessing the wiring is wrong, probably. And that bothers me, honestly. So, that's 15. That's gonna be green, right? Oh my god. Okay. That's 15. That's 13. So that's gonna be red. Alright. If we go by the code, you know what I mean. And I guess, yeah, yellow just stays the same. Zero is in the middle. That's so cool. I'm sorry, you guys can't see what I'm doing. Maybe I should use a screwdriver. No, that's metal. I should not use metal. Okay. Fuck it. Let's go. See what happens. I saw a video that said that you should not touch your Raspberry Pi while it's running, but because it might short out. Yeah, you see, red is not working. Yellow is working fine, but red is not working, and that has to be a circuit. I did not miss I should not fuck. I did not miss the wires. The wires are good. The wiring is good. Yellow is good, and green is also good. So it must be like a touch thingy. Maybe if I replace the lights. Oh, we got green working. You see, green is blinking and then turns back to yellow. And now we gotta fix up red. Maybe I nudge like that. And it is going to 13. Fucking yellow has a whole line. Oh, okay. Oh, we got red working now and fuck, man. God damn it. So fucking fragile for real, dude. Like, what the fuck? I had girlfriends that's less fragile than that. Girlfriends less fragile than that. Fuck! Now red is not working also. Shit. This is a disaster. Come on, man. Do I need to change the wiring? Maybe changing the wiring will be good. Guess I should probably use a wire for each color. Guess that should do the trick. Let's see. Let's disconnect it for now. And let's try and do this. Like each wire gets its own color. And it's fucking good. That's so gay. What can you do about it? God, gotta turn out yellow. Oh, that was sorry, green.
Green, what's your problem, Green? What is your problem, Miss?
Okay, I should guess blue. Red? Oh, I have too much red. So do blue. Oh. Just put it this. And we'll remember. We'll remember. Don't worry. We'll remember. It won't work. And then we'll be like, huh? So fucking funny. It's fucking hilarious. I'm fucking hilarious. I'm having fun. Honestly, I'm having a lot of fun over here talking to myself. Shit. As fuck. Just mumbling. Enjoying life. Oh my god. Probably someone who knows Raspberry Pi will be like in the comments like, shut the fuck up. Come here and teach me then, bitch. I think that's good. Maybe. Yeah. This goes here. I don't know what the fuck was that, man. I'm high as fuck. Do not question me, please. Okay, that looks much better. That also makes sense. I hope for the camera at least. We gotta get rid of this. We'll use blues. You know what? To mark the voltages, we'll use not the voltages, but like the ground connection. We'll use blue. Because why the fuck not? I only have this long blue. God damn it. I gotta buy more wires, man. Shit. I'm so underprepared. Like in school. Oh, there we go. Another small one. Beautiful. Like that. Let's do it in that fancy style. Yeah. Just what we like. Let's see if I can do it with the camera's help. Doesn't really matter how it goes, right? You guys cannot see shit, so let's do it like this. Yeah, you guys still cannot see shit. Okay, fun. Still, it's all fun. You know what they say, if you're not having fun, what are you having? I did not connect this in the right place. It looks beautiful, actually. It's just beautiful. Okay, so hopefully now it's way easier to understand. We have a red light going to the red, green light going to the green. Hey, red light, green light. Hey. Shut the fuck up. And we have, yeah, okay. And we have a yellow light going to the middle. I think that's cool. And then we had the blue lights for the ground. I think that looks awesome. Don't you guys think? That looks awesome. That looks pretty cool, I think. Well, I don't really care what you guys think anyhow. So, get fucked. I'm joking, don't get fucked. Okay, let's do it. Maybe I'll add some editing magically. Red light, yellow light. Oh, damn. Fuck. Okay, but this could be good. This could mean a good thing. Maybe it's an easy Oh, yes! We have green light. Oh my god, green light flashing. Yellow light, red light, let's go! Fuck yeah, okay, we got this, man. Let's fucking go. I'm gonna leave this like this, and we're going to go straight to the code. So I guess let's just do God. Now it's gonna be hard to type without touching the cable, but that's fucking awesome. I feel so fucking good. You have no idea. Like, I feel like I just climbed Mount Everest with cigarettes. Yes. Okay, we want to have a fun, we're gonna call it light, I guess toggle red light. Let's do red light. It's not function. I'm fucking retarded. That's what I am. It's deaf. We're using Python, not JavaScript. Damn fucking whore. No, oh yeah. Control Alt. That's how you do this. Control Alt and then the arrows. If you guys ever want to, I don't know. And then how the fuck do I just Alt? Oh, then Alt turns it off. That's cool. Okay, I guess let's do it with this one also. So it just makes more sense, you know, easier to read, and we'll also add comments because I have to practice using comments in my code because I never use comments. I'm like, I'll be the only one reading it, and then I'm like 3 months later, I'm like, huh, that's cool. Cool project. The fuck is this? Fucking dumbass. Fucking hate myself sometimes. I'm joking. I fucking love myself. Never hate yourself. Okay, I'm fucking retarded, dude. My fucking neighbors probably think they're like, who the fuck is this guy? The fuck is he doing? Alright, yellow light. And oh no, I did not want to do it like this. Yes. Oh my god. Devastating. Okay. Now we can control this a little bit better. We can do therefore we can control the green light more easier, like, you know, making the flashes more, change the flashes, whatever. Never mind. Okay, the F toggle green. Oh my god, I just moved it. Oh my god, my cat is going to no. I'm sorry. Not now. My cat loves jumping on my PC, and it always ends up with her hitting the power switch. And then that sucks. That really sucks, you know. I don't know if I want to add a function for the blink, excuse me. Okay, now feel I want sleep. And okay, we should, and then maybe call this final cycle, I guess. Yeah, that's the final cycle, sort of. And then it could call the toggle red light function. Oh my god. Yes, kitten. What is it you want, my kitten? What? You want some Pinocchio? You want some love and affection? Take this moment to love and affect your cat and dog or whatever you have. Maybe you have a lizard. I don't care. Affect them. Love them. Okay, cool. What did they want to do? Oh, yeah, right. We are making... Okay, I guess that's cool. And then we can go like that, right? Yeah, just like that. Cool, right? I do not know. Maybe I'm wrong, but that looks right. English isn't my first language. I'm sorry, guys. Def final cycle, and this will eventually call, yeah, a toggle red light. Oh, toggle red light. And we want to add green, and oh no, that's yellow. And we have green and final circle. Green now. Am I doing this right? Maybe I should add each color. Not sure. I think, because I'm using all of them. Makes sense to me. But there are, I don't know, I don't remember the rules, honestly. I do not remember the laws of Python. And this is MicroPython, so maybe it has a bit different tool, like rules. I'm just using like what I learned in the 5 minutes of YouTube videos I've watched. And like the Raspberry Pi Pico super basic tutorial. You know what? Let me find it. I have it. Never mind. Maybe I don't. I do not have it. Okay. That's cool. Anyways, so we are going to add more colors. Not more colors, like add all of the colors, like yellow, green. Yes, kitten. Yes. Wow. What? How can I help you, kitten? I live in a 1-room apartment, like 1-bedroom apartment. So I'm not really gonna. Oh, this one is not used. Oh my god, no, yeah, no. Stay away from the cable, please. Thank you. And yes, green. That's good. Over here we want green, yellow. Green, yellow. Okay. That looks good. That looks sexy, might I say. And let's just take off the magic. Boop. It's cool. Why? Oh, I should probably. Okay. Let's go. I'm the best. While true, we gotta also call each of these, like call the functions, I guess. Okay, let's see what happens if we call. That's gonna be toggle. So toggle yellow light, and we are also. Never mind. We can do this. Hop. Right, toggle red light, toggle yellow light, and toggle green light we'll add later. But let's toggle yellow light, that's kinda cool. Then we want yellow on, sleep, red off, yellow off, and then toggle green. I should probably add light, because then it doesn't match. Light, yeah. Final cycle, green, yellow. That's gonna call for I in range 3. It's gonna blink, and then that's gonna call final cycle. I think that looks kind of cool, don't you guys think? If final cycle, light, toggle red light, might. So maybe, I guess if that's gonna be always running, so I only need toggle red light, right? And then toggle light, and then toggle red light will call toggle yellow light. Toggle yellow light will call toggle green light, and final circle. And then that ends, and red light again. I hope that makes sense to me, though. I should maybe enlarge this. I do not want to forward my up. And then I'll reset, and we'll watch together what happens. Reset. Nothing happens. Why not? Wire? No, it worked a second ago. It's not the wires. It's the code. Why though? Debug? No. Problem. Spot machine, gonna know. Red on. Maybe just in the pod. Maybe, I don't know. No. Still nothing. That sucks. Okay, fine. We'll just stick with this. Maybe it's a different function for MicroPython. We'll find out. No worries. We want this like this, and then this like this, and cool. That's awesome. Let's recompile that. Let's see and make sure everything works. Camera, recompile, and reset. Cool. Okay. So you see, wiring was fine. Everything was fine. See, now it flashes for longer. More realistic. Okay. I guess we did improve it. So I guess we could call it an improvement video. Okay. Next video, I'll add this screen and we'll try to, write stop, ready, and go whenever each light is, going off. But that's for next video. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Don't forget to subscribe.